lang siya.
Wag na, buksit din mo. Go. Sasa. Okay. Yes, auto. Go. Dua. Yes.
Mentally feel like Kobe, I'm like Jokic with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me, I don't care if you pushing 40. You can never little bro me. You're a step like Ginobili, from young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats. Circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready? Who ready?
Dua. Sio, siguran. Pa. Hey, pa. Hey, dua. Hey, siguran. Pa. Hey, elbow. Kick diyan.
I'm the one that carry body moving safe to safe. Make $1 million out the semi, plus I grind it from the start. I was stacking billions on my dip like Machiavelli.
Say, oh, dali, babaw. Say, dali. Say, tungod. Say, siko. Push ko sa. Eh, dali. Say, oh, pagi, baba kamay. Hay. Pagi, ay, oh, paul. Hey, hari ka. Hindi pa lang kita. Hari. Hi. Hey, na.
So I updated this corner of the room a while back, and I didn't really talk to you guys about it. So what happened was my friend gifted me with this little, I don't know what it's called, like one of those corkboard with the letter inserts. So I thought it was really cute. I decided to decorate this side of the wall. I had these 2 extra prints from when I was doing the gallery wall on this side, and I bought this like IKEA floating shelf thing that I never put up, because in order to put it up I'd have to drill into the wall, which I don't know why, but I was so nervous about, because everything that you see here, all the prints, these have been put up with command strips, and that has worked great for me. So I'm kind of nervous about actually drilling into the wall, but I think I have to do it. I think now is the time, and I actually have to do it. So let's give it a shot. It could stand to be a little lower. I don't know. Which looks better? Does it look good from here? Now imagine I wasn't here, but from here, and then there's going to be stuff on it, like I think I'll put a flower vase on it. Either way, what I need to do today is go out and buy some of those drywall anchor things that I can screw it into, because I don't think I'll be able to place it exactly where the studs in the wall are. So that's the project for today. I cut my hair. Ta-da! I love it. I love how it's so much bouncier. I don't know. I just like it. I was ready for a change. So, I have not worked on this shelf. Still living on my table. I started working on other projects. There's this audio that I've saved on my Instagram that I want to use eventually. It's like, oh, she's got stuff to do, but she keeps doing other stuff. That's literally my whole thing. Like, I start doing one thing, then I get distracted thinking about another project I want to do, and then I start doing that, and then things don't get done. I actually went to the hardware store yesterday to pick up some anchors, drywall anchors and screws, because according to the internet, that's what I need to attach this to the wall. I want to do it myself, but this is like gonna be a permanent thing in my room, and I'm really afraid that I'm gonna screw up the wall, and the next video I'm gonna have to make is how to patch up drywall. So I'm still thinking about it, which is why I'm kind of like procrastinating on this project a little bit. I'm like, do I want to do it and risk ruining my wall, or should I just try to hire someone. But like the thing is, I don't want to like hire someone to literally put up one little shelf for me. It's gonna be such a waste of time for that person as well. I don't know. Thinking about it. So do you like this here? Or higher?
Higher ka na.
Higher, really?
Yeah.
Di siya murag dako ra kayong empty space here.
If you have a nice big flower vase or whatever yung butang diri, samo kayo. Basi na kay nindot kay, for example, kabayo or sa yung butang diha, ceramic ba. So some bowl.
Okay, sige, higher. Or do you think I can do it on my own?
I don't know your job.
I can drill it.
You ask Conrad to help you, ugma. Ana na lang.
Okay, fine.
Diba?
So, that's not a bad idea. I'm gonna wait for my brother-in-law tomorrow to help me put it up and see what he thinks, because he's actually done it before. So I guess I'm not doing that today. What I will be doing today is my friend commissioned me to make these thank you cards for her small business, and I'm gonna work on that. These are Christmas cards that I designed for her. Ta-da! So cute. So it's a high heel shoe brand. So I made like a garland of high heel shoes, and then I drew some of the shoes that she produces as Christmas presents at the bottom. So she kind of wants to sort of reuse this design, but like reposition the stuff and make it less Christmassy, of course, and use that as thank you cards for whenever people buy her shoes. So I'm gonna work on that.
Everything more conservative.
That's the reason why we didn't want to buy another used helicopter. We took the risk once, and now.
Yeah.
So going back to bringing it to the Robinson factory, you wanted to
Yes.
bring it to the Robinson factory because it had been basically Frankenstein in the field for the last.
Yeah, like there's a cargo hook and then like the electric starter on the cyclic.
Do you know how to do this, Kate?
Do what?
Figure out where to put the shelf.
Dito, it's like complete, but what? There's no 5mm hook.
Oh, because Gavin is
Okay.
using it.
Cool.
Any dark
I
is
know you were making this.
puro ni Gahi.
Oh, okay, so here na lang siya. I can do that, and then I'll move this to this side.
Yeah.
Wala na lang ako.
Oh, I like that one, Dito. I know, it's so cute. Wow. It's all very cute, Dito.
While I'm gazing through my window tonight, I'm remembering the things I have done in my life. Oh.
What do you think? Does this look good? This is... No, it's way too close. It has to be up here. Are you looking?
Yeah.
Here?
No.
In line with the shelf?
Yeah.
I mean the frame,
Yeah,
the bottom
I like
of the
that.
frame?
Yeah.
Should it not be between the two paintings?
No, this is too close. No, because this is
I
where
like
it starts,
that.
so it can only be here. Like here. Like here.
Why can't you put two shelves?
You should just buy
No,
another
but
shelf.
like, no, but
It looks
like,
everything's so
I
much.
will, but if I buy another shelf, look, I'll put this here.
Yeah.
Okay? And I buy another shelf, it's just gonna be up here or something.
It's
I'm not gonna put it down here.
Why?
That's weird. That's
Imagine this is
spacing
your
is
other
so
shelf.
off.
Imagine this is your other
No,
shelf.
just like don't put.
No, I feel like.
No, I think one shelf.
Do you like this?
No, I don't.
I don't. You have to move it down and then put paintings up if
No.
you're not gonna get a tall plant.
No. No. Wait.
Here?
Wait.
Same then.
Oh wait, yeah, actually. Like,
Here?
Yeah.
What, are you serious?
Yeah, that's better.
Because this would be good because it's right where the studs are.
Yeah. Hi Liam, do you like that on your shelf? Do you like the shelf there?
Do you like how this works?
Yeah.
Step back. Okay. Now look at it. Huh? Or wait. Say when. Say when you think it looks like. Here? See?
No!
Oh.
It's so empty down there.
Wait, actually,
It'll be so empty.
it will look nice if there's a.
Shut up, painting. Put a painting there.
There's multiple.
Oh great. Like this? Life. Oh. I almost installed it upside down. that was close.
Dido.
That was close. We would not want to do that.
Making one or two turns that weren't really what I planned. Sometimes the choices I made have been hard to understand. Better get ready, I'm ready. Better get ready, I'm ready. Ready to do all that I gotta do to end
This one's going that way.
So I look
Which isn't
at
great.
my reflection.
Oh, whatever. It's so much higher than we wanted it to be. But that's the only place where there were studs. Stupid studs. This wall is so weird. Since I had to put the shelf so much higher, I think I'll just put this back where it was to fill the empty space. So, and then put something else there. Maybe I didn't have to take out the whole, oh well, whatever.
I see all them dreams running round in my head.
Literally, this whole thing was because you made me purple flowers and that frame is purple. That's it. That's the whole
That's
point.
the whole reason?
That's the whole
Because
reason.
the frame is purple?
And it matches your flowers and now they can be together.
That's so nice.
Ta-da! Thank you for my flowers. Do you like it?
Yeah, I do like it. Now the rest of the shelf is empty.
I mean,
What are you gonna put?
books. Here. Let's style it. Let's style it.
Okay.
Oh, that's cute. I quite like this book. Oh, there.
Wow.
Huh? Is she styling?
I like that orange one because it matches your orange picture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that why you did it?
No. But yay! Shelf done!